फ्रेंड्स, आज हम लोग जब किसी से कॉन्वर्सेशन करते हैं तो किस तरह से आप बोलना शुरू करेंगे एंड कॉन्वर्सेशन करते वक्त किस तरह से आप नेचुरल होकर बात करेंगे, ये हम लोग सीखेंगे। और किसी से मिलने के बाद हाउ टू स्ट्राइक कॉन्वर्सेशन, दैट विल ऑल्सो लर्न इन आर टुडेज कॉन्वर्सेशन। तो आज की बात में हम अपने एक क्लास के सीनियर मोस्ट स्टूडेंट रिजवान आलम जिनसे बात करने जा रहे हैं, और इस कॉन्वर्सेशन के हेल्प से आप भी ये सीखेंगे कि किस तरह से आप बात करना शुरू कर सकते हैं और कॉमन क्वेश्चंस का आंसर्स भी किस तरह से कर सकते हैं। तो बने रहिएगा वीडियो में लास्ट तक, और चलते हैं अब रिजवान की तरफ। हाउ आर यू रिजवान?
I'm fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Thanks, and you, sir?
I'm also fine by the grace of sustainer. And what about your parents?
They are also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah.
Great, great. Rizwan, I'm gonna ask some questions to you. You have to answer me, okay? Then your first question is, tell me something about yourself. In short.
Thank you, sir. My name is Muhammad Rizwan Alam. My father's name is Muhammad Jamshed Alam. He is a great tailor master and first teacher of my life. And as far as my educational qualification is concerned, I am doing Bachelor of Science in Math Honors from Jamshedpur Workers College, and I want to become a great English speaker and mathematician also.
Your question is, what's your goal, as you have said in your introduction, but what are you doing for that and why are you doing for that?
Sir, I want to become a maths teacher. That is why I have taken admission in BSc in Math Honors, and now I am doing BSc and Math Honors, and I am preparing for that also. Yes, sir.
So why are you learning English language?
Actually, sir, it's a part of our life, and now we can't go without English. And this is very important to learn for us. That is why I am learning English.
Yeah, nicely answered. As you know that English is very, very important, and which is why we are doing this. So what is the importance of English and why do you want to learn? Speak.
Actually, English plays a vital role in everybody's life, and now English has become a global language.
Yes.
And so many countries have accepted that English is as their second language. And whenever we go somewhere or whenever we go anywhere, then English is the only thing which comes to rescue. And when we get fumble or when we get stuck, then English is the only language which comes to help us. And by the help of English, we can communicate to anyone very easy.
Wow, nice answer. Give a big hand for Rizwan sir, please. Great. Rizwan, one more thing. What's your daily routine?
So I wake up early in the morning. I wake up at 4:30 o'clock. Then after I offer namaz of Fajr, and after that I recite Holy Quran. Then after I clean my road, and then after I fill up the water, and after that I prepare myself for tuition, and I attend class at 7:30 to 9 o'clock. And after going back from my class, I take breakfast, and then after I teach a student from 9:30 to 10. Later on I do study for my BSc, and then after I do some domestic chores, and after that I prepare myself for namaz of Zohar, and after offering namaz of Zohar I take a nap, and then after again I do study, and then I attend my maths class around 5 o'clock, and then after I come home, and then I take snacks, and then after I operate mobile phone, and after that I go for namaz of Isha, and then after I attend talim at my mosque, and after attending the talim I come home, and I take rest. Then after I operate mobile phone, and then I take my dinner, and then I sleep around 11.
Wonderful, nice. Give a big hand for Rizwan. Yeah. Next question is that, Rizwan, in order to learn English language, what are the two basic things that we need to take care of in the beginning?
Thank you, sir. In the beginning, we should come to class every day. and whatever we get from class we should practice and we should implement in our life. These two things help like anything.
Okay. So could you come again, please?
So first, we should come to class every day, and whatever we get from class, we should practice and then we should implement in our daily life. These two things will help us to improve our English.
Great, nicely answered. Nice points. 2 points are very, very important. Whatever you get in our class, you need to practice properly and come to class every single day so that you can maintain the continuity. Great. Next question is that what is the role of pronunciation in learning any language?
So pronunciation plays an immense role, and pronunciation is the only thing which shows our English and which shows that how do we speak English. Like if as my name is Rizwan, and if somebody says me Rizwan, then I won't feel better. So same things happens in English also. If somebody says that this is very beautiful, if somebody says like that, then this sentence isn't giving the soothing effect. Sometimes people say like this is very beautiful. So actually if somebody says like that, then these types of the sentences do not give the soothing effect. They should learn how to pronounce clearly, correct. And if they say that this is a very beautiful, and then so it gives a soothing effect. As my name is Rizwan Alam, and if somebody says me that Rizwan, how are you Rizwan, then I can understand that what does he mean to say. But I don't but I will not like to listen to that person, because my name is not Rizwan, I am Rizwan. And so sometimes we say that I have taken breakfast.
Yeah, I have taken breakfast,
Yes.
but it is not like that.
Yes, so it isn't like that. We should say I have taken breakfast. There is breakfast, not breakfast.
Yeah, the correct pronunciation is breakfast. We are supposed to pronounce breakfast rather than breakfast. I have never ever taken breakfast. I have taken breakfast. Exactly.
Yes, sir. So we should work on pronunciation also, and it helps us, and this shows that how we have learned English, and what is the level of English that we have learned.
Exactly. Rizwan, what do you want to suggest? Because you are a student of our class and you are speaking nowadays English well. According to you, what do you suggest to our viewers to learn English language?
I want to suggest them that please be continued, and whatever you are doing, take that seriously, and be target oriented. Yeah, be a target oriented person. Then only you can do anything.
Yeah, with the help of target, if you are target oriented person, you can achieve anything ASAP. Very good. Last question from my side. This one, what is the most important incident which changed your life as of now?
Actually, sir, my friends, they have changed me, and actually after when I was in school, by the time I decided that I want to do something different from my friend, and then I joined Akhtar's classes, and my friends, they have changed me, because they helped me a lot.
वेल डन वेरी नाइस नाइसली आंसर्ड. तो फ्रेंड्स, आप लोगों ने देखा कि किस तरह से हम रैंडम क्वेश्चंस करते हैं और किस तरह से रैंडम क्वेश्चंस का आंसर किया जाता है. हमारे इस क्लास में मुझे खुद भी नहीं पता था कि मैं क्या क्या क्वेश्चंस करूंगा, और रैंडम क्वेश्चंस आंसर्स जब होते हैं, कॉन्वर्सेशन होते हैं, सिर्फ आपको एक चीज़ माइंड में रखनी है, कॉन्फिडेंस. एंड कॉन्फिडेंस के बाद आप जब क्वेश्चन आंसर करते हैं तो आप सही से क्वेश्चंस भी कर सकते हैं और आंसर्स भी कर सकते हैं. दोस्तों, इस तरह से हम कॉन्वर्सेशन करते रहेंगे, आपके साथ आगे मिलते रहेंगे. आज के लिए हम इस वीडियो को यहीं कंक्लूड करते हैं. वॉच करने के लिए थैंक यू.